What's up, Warriors? Welcome back to another episode of Warrior House Survival. So my kids got these multi-tools for Christmas, and I'll leave a link down below to the full review video that I did on them. But they came to me the other day. They said, Dad, you got one tool. It's our multi-tool. Can you survive with just this? And I said, well, what are the circumstances? They said, you're in the yard, and you're trapped. There's an apocalypse, and you've got a squirrel that you've hunted, and this is it. And I said, well, I'm glad I got yours because, as you guys know from that other video you can check out below, there is a flint stick, a fire starter stick in this multi-tool. And so in this video, we're going to actually attempt to go ahead and get this set up with nothing more than what we had on us at the time, which was a soda can, a pop can, depending on which part of the country you're from. I'm from the Midwest, so it's pop all day long, and this multi-tool. Can we really build a viable camp stove using a pop can with just this multi-tool? Let's find out. This is the Mossy Oak 19-in-1 multi-tool, and again, that link is down below for the full review. You can watch that after this video is over. I'm also leaving a link down there if you decide that you want to buy this tool. Just know that it's a commissionable link, so if you decide to buy, you're helping to support my family and this channel so that we can bring you more valuable videos. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now, as far as this camp stove is concerned, this is just a real down and dirty DIY survival camp stove. You cut a slot in the side. Many people would actually just fold this down at this point and start loading it up with tinder. I like to take about half of it off, and you'll see that I'm going to cut that in half and fold those two pieces down the middle. And then I'm going to set them off to the side. Those will be important a little later on, but let's get to building a fire inside this stove. Another thing I taught my boys is always keep a little bit of tinder or some tissue paper inside that Velcro sheath when it comes to using this multi-tool, and then you really are all set, ready to go with just this one tool. Don't forget to take your thumbnail picture. By the way, if you want any YouTube tips or tricks hit me up in the comments. I'm happy to help you on your channel in any way that I can. And here's where those extra cutoff pieces come in handy, give you a little extra support for whatever you're using to boil water on top of this pop can stove. Maybe you're using a pot like this one or a small tin cup instead of just sitting on top of the pop can. You get a little bit more support, it raises it up a little bit more, gives a little bit more surface area to that flame. Well, there you have it, folks, a DIY survival camp stove with nothing more than a pop can and the Mossy Oak 19-in-1 multi-tool. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.